Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe if you have not done so already. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a comparison video on the On-the-Go 2.0 and the Mini-Go 2.0. So they did do some updates on the Mini-Go. I will be showing you how I packed them up as well. So let's just jump right into this comparison. So from the front, you can tell that they look super identical now that they've added bottle pockets on the Mini-Go. They are insulated, so they both have two insulated pockets on each side. The front zipper, the same. They both have two zipper pulls. They have a grab handle up at the top. So this is what they look like side by side. As you can tell, the On-the-Go is obviously a bit taller. They do appear to be the same width. This is what the back side of the bags look like. They did add some D-rings on the Mini-Go, and the On-the-Go also has them. Now, if you notice that the straps are the same material, but they are shaped differently. I'm assuming due to the fact that the On-the-Go is obviously bigger than the Mini-Go, and then the straps on the bottom, as you can see, they are also nylon. However, they are a little bit different type of nylon. I feel like the On-the-Go one is a little bit smoother, and the Mini-Go, it's not rough, but it's definitely not as smooth as this. I don't know if it will affect you using it. I don't think so, but I haven't actually used my Mini-Go yet. I'll keep you guys posted on that. The back side of the On-the-Go does feature this laptop pocket. It is padded, which is really nice, while the Mini-Go just has a zipper pocket here. So the On-the-Go also has an extra pocket. However, this one you can unzip the bottom and you can attach it to your suitcase if you are traveling, which is probably one of my favorite features. You can use it for travel even after your babies are no longer in diapers. So this is what the interior looks like. Both pretty much look identical. They have a mesh pocket in the back, a zipper pocket in the back as well. They did add these pockets on top here on the Mini-Go, which I think adds extra storage. And then they both also have these front pockets right here. The Mini-Go also comes with a change pad, which is really nice. Overall, it's pretty much a little miniature version of the On-the-Go, and I actually really like the size. Now that you've seen the interior of these bags, let's just jump right in and pack them up to see how they compare that way. This bottle pocket here, replace it because the other bottle pocket, I have a covered goods nursing cover. In this front pocket here, I have my wallet attached to the keyring, and then I also have a jujube coin purse. And in here I just have some chapstick and some lady needs. Don't have anything in the laptop pocket, but back here I just have my keys. So this is what the inside looks like. On the top here I have just a toy for my 1-year-old. I have a snack tower. Don't have any snacks in it because we haven't used it since COVID, but I have it in there just so you can see that this fits in there. I have a ring sling, so that's everything in the main compartment. On the side here, a bib, and on the other pocket I have a pacifier. In this back mesh pocket I have the change pad of the Mini-Go, jujube wet bag, romper in size 12 months. In this zipper pocket, a mask, lotion, Dermaline, and these two pockets, disinfecting wipes, 3 size 4 diapers, and then I have a Twelvelittle wipes pouch. So that's everything that I had on the On-the-Go. Now we're going to try and take everything and just pack it up on the Mini-Go.
So something happened to my camera and I was not able to film the rest of it, but everything that I had on the On-the-Go fit inside the Mini-Go, which is awesome. I will say that taking into consideration that the fact that I didn't pack anything for my older 2 kiddos who are fully potty trained, and I think if I would have packed for them, I would have preferred using the On-the-Go. But overall, for the amount that I packed inside the Mini-Go, I think it packs a really good amount. I like the size, and I just love that it's a miniature version of the On-the-Go. The On-the-Go is also still an amazing bag to have, especially if you need the extra space. As you were able to tell from what I packed inside of it, I didn't even get to pack it all the way up, and I didn't use the laptop pocket either. I really do hope that this comparison video helped you guys out. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.